Night routine for better sleep and health. Hi everyone. Have you ever wondered what the best night routine is to get a better quality of sleep? In this video, we'll be discussing the best night routine to help you achieve optimal sleep for improved health and well-being. The night routine is very important when it comes to having a good quality of sleep because it sets your body's internal clock, which is called the circadian rhythm. It also allows your body to wind down and prepare for sleep. Consistent night routine. It also helps to improve sleep quality by reducing the time it takes to fall asleep and increasing the amount of uninterrupted sleep. Now, let us explore some simple yet effective tips that can be incorporated into a nightly routine to promote better sleep. One of the first things that you should do is to avoid screens before bed. The blue light emitted from electronic devices such as phones, tablets, and computers can interfere with the production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep-wake cycles. It is recommended to avoid screen time for at least 1 hour before bed. You could spend this time doing other relaxing activities such as reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing gentle stretches. Another great way to promote better sleep is to drink herbal teas that are known for their relaxing properties. Chamomile tea is a popular choice, as it has been used for centuries to reduce anxiety and promote calmness. Lavender tea is also a great option, as it has a soothing scent that can help you relax. Peppermint tea is another herbal tea that can help with sleep quality, can aid digestion, and relieve stomach discomfort, which can contribute to better sleep. Having a magnesium-rich snack in the evening can also help you relax and prepare for bed. Magnesium is a mineral that plays an important role in regulating muscle and nerve function, as well as promoting relaxation. Some great options for a healthy magnesium snack include almonds, pumpkin seeds, and whole grain crackers with cheese. Eating these snacks can help satisfy any evening cravings, while providing your body with essential nutrients that promote restful sleep. In addition to these tips, you may also want to consider listening to calming music or engaging in other relaxing activities before bed. This can help to reduce stress and tension, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. Bedtime stretches are also a great way to relax the body and prepare for sleep. Gentle stretches can help to release any built-up tension and promote better sleep. Some examples of bedtime stretches include shoulder rolls, neck stretches, and hamstring stretches. These stretches can be done in bed before sleep and can help to improve flexibility and range of motion. Another thing to consider is keeping a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day can help to regulate your body's circadian rhythm, promoting better sleep quality. It is recommended to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. And maintaining a consistent sleep schedule can help to ensure that you get enough rest. It is also important to create a relaxing bedtime environment. This includes keeping the bedroom dark, quiet, and cool. Using blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine can help to block out any distractions and promote better sleep. A comfortable mattress and pillows can also make a big difference in sleep quality. It is important to choose a mattress that provides adequate support and comfort and to replace it if it is too old or worn out. Pillows should also be supportive and comfortable and should be replaced if they are causing neck or shoulder pain. Finally, it is important to note that certain lifestyle factors can impact sleep quality. These include diet, exercise, and stress management. Eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and practicing stress-reducing techniques such as meditation or yoga can all help to improve sleep quality. In conclusion, incorporating these tips into your nightly routine can promote better sleep and improve overall health and well-being. Remember to avoid screens before bed, drink relaxing herbal teas, have a magnesium-rich snack, listen to calming music, or do bedtime stretches. Keep a consistent sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime environment. If you have any concerns about your sleep, please consult with a healthcare professional. Sweet dreams.